How to see someone's location on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Instagram now lets users to share their live location via the new Maps update. So, make sure your Instagram app is updated to its latest version. Now, tap on the DM icon on the top right of your screen and you will see the map option there. Tap on that and make sure that in order to be able to see someone's location, it is crucial for them to enable location sharing on their Instagram map. So, if they have shared their location and enabled their location, then you can simply tap on that particular location and you will know about their whereabouts. So, this is how you can see someone's location on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.